We had some pretty strong winds last night, 50 to 60 miles an hour. Thank God we didn't get the tornadoes that the other regions received. I'm sure you've seen in Kentucky, a lot of people lost their houses and people were killed. We had a slight casualty here. The gazebo is blown over, and as you can see, it's all busted apart. It's kind of surprising because I didn't think this thing had enough surface area to catch that much wind. And that bench here is a commercial bench. It's pretty heavy. It's old, but it's heavy. And I had that board going through the arms, and it was kind of bracing it just to kind of keep it from going anywhere. So I don't know how we're going to handle this yet. I don't know if we can make an insurance claim. I don't know if it's worth it, especially if our insurance goes up after making a claim. It's unsalvageable, but some of the posts I think can be reused. These rafters here actually have aluminum in them for structural strength. But yeah, what a shame. And stick with me, I'll show you the neighbor's house. They're in worse shape. I'll get some footage of that here in a minute. But, yeah, what a shame. These things aren't cheap. And there's the neighbor's house. Such a shame. Anyway, we got lucky. So if that's our only loss, is the gazebo, pergola, arbor thingy, I'm okay with that.